On the 9th of August 2022, Jamaat Ahmadiyya Sweden had the opportunity to welcome local politicians and members of the Swedish Parliament to the Nasir Mosque in Gothenburg. The guests came from the Christian Democrat Party, which is a center-right political party in Sweden that has been represented in the Swedish Parliament for many years. The guests were welcomed by National Muballigh in charge as well as National Sadr Ansarullah. After brief personal introductions, Muballigh Sahib gave a short presentation about the Jamaat as the guests who had little previous knowledge were eager to learn more about the different religions in the local region. The guests were also introduced to the various works of Khalifatul Masih, may Allah be his helper, and about the constant efforts that His Holiness makes for world peace. After this short introduction, a very fruitful and insightful discussion was held between the guests and Muballigh Sahib alongside Sadr Sahib Ansarullah. During this discussion, a number of various topics that are important in today's society were discussed over some coffee and traditional Swedish bakeries. The topics included the concept of Khilafat, women's right in Islam, and the differences between Ahmadis and other Muslims. A short clip was also shown in which His Holiness held a conference with Swedish parliamentarians in His Holiness' visit to Sweden during 2016. The visit ended with the guests being treated to a short tour of the mosque.